Oh. And then she went back in bed.
Welcome to corn country.
Yeah, a lot of it.
Hey, girl. Oh, hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hello, baby. Oh, yes.
Stay here.
Yes.
She's got so much energy. Come here. Hey. Come here.
There is nobody else here.
Come here. I don't want her to get run over by accident by Aaron.
Welcome to corn country.
So much corn. So much corn.
3, 2, 1, action.
So Aaron and Tina said, hey, we don't have anything better to do. Let's go to Indiana.
Yeah.
So here they are.
We wanted to make sure we knew what corn looked like.
And bad roads.
And bad roads, yeah.
So they asked if they could come hang out with us, and we said, well, we're going to the UP of Michigan. They said, we're there.
Yep,
That's right.
let's go.
Never been. New adventure. That's right.
Hey, we just got into Manistee, Michigan.
That's right.
And this is a really cool little place, you guys. We're just driving around town trying to see what's going on, see what there is to see, and there's a really cool beach down here, City Beach,
Yeah.
and it's free.
And we found Lake Michigan.
And we found Lake Michigan.
It looks like an ocean. It
It's-
is so big.
It's pretty darn big.
It's mind-blowing. It's beautiful.
Let's go down and see what it's like. They're good friends.
Oh, mine's so full.
Perfect.
Good morning. Oh,
Happy
Oh.
birthday to you.
guys.
Come on, Maggie. Come on, Maggie. I tried lighting the candles outside. They wouldn't stay lit. So we're going to light them in here.
Oh my goodness.
Since you're 29 again,
Oh yeah, for the what? The third time?
here, let's turn this around
Oh,
so the
it's-
folks at home can see it.
Oh,
There we go.
guys.
Aaron
Turning out
saw
my-
All
those-
right, you
Aaron
ready?
saw those candles. They're so cute.
Oh my
sing.
gosh,
Okay.
that's so cute.
Happy birthday, dear Kelly. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
I got my wish.
There you go. All right.
Isn't that the cutest little
Happy
face?
birthday.
So much.
Oh, you're
It's
welcome.
so cute.
Awesome.
You're welcome.
Oh man, I just did my makeup and now
No.
it's coming off.
It's okay.
There's more makeup.
Thank you guys.
Open your
You're
present.
welcome.
It's the birthday time today. We're waiting on Miss Kelly. We're gonna go have a birthday dinner. Oh, here she comes. Except she isn't masked up. Go figure.
Yeah.
There she is. Oh, and look who's there.
Wait,
Who's that?
it's me.
Oh, the masked man. And look who he's with.
The mask.
Me.
Superhero. Super lady.
And we're gonna take a shuttle to your birthday dinner.
I know. I feel so special.
Okay, let's go. Well, except for the fact that we have to wear these stupid masks, how was your birthday?
It was good. It was good. Good food. I'm full.
Yeah? Nice place, though.
Yeah. Really nice.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
It is.
Hi, birthday girl.
Hi. Don't tell anybody we're taking our masks off. It gets hot under here. Under here. Hot under here. Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Yeah.
I know,
Alright.
it was a good birthday.
Ready to go back?
Yeah.
Okay. What you doing now, Cal?
I am making poor man's lobster.
Poor man's lobster.
Yes.
Where did you get the lobster?
Well, it's not lobster.
What?
It's
Oh.
halibut. And Tina and Aaron brought it over because they went to Alaska and got a bunch of halibut.
Oh.
So I told them about poor man's lobster, and so we're making it now.
So is this the poor man's lobster?
Yes, sir.
Tell everybody how it was prepped.
Sure. You take the halibut, and you can use probably any whitefish, but halibut's the best. You cut up in 1-inch squares, and you put water together with a cup of sugar, a little bit of salt, and a tablespoon and a half of lemon juice, or a half a lemon.
Okay.
I don't have lemon, so. And then you boil it. When you drop it in, it sinks, and when it's done, it floats. So very simple.
And when it floats, you take it out.
I take it out.
And
Did you
that's
taste
what,
it?
Not yet.
That's
Taste
what
it.
this is. Oh,
Okay.
Tina's gonna taste.
I'll go for. Oh, it's crumbly too.
Uh-oh.
Tina's gonna taste.
Oh, that's good. That's really good.
Especially with butter.
Oh yeah, you gotta come taste it.
Everything's better with butter.
Jump up, Maggie.
That's
Sit
good.
on my lap.
And it does taste like
There went my phone.
lobster.
Doesn't it? Yeah.
Let's try it.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Ooh, it does taste like a lobster. That's really good.
Isn't that good?
Yeah.
And I think you can use cod. I'm not sure of any other white fish out there, but
I would say
I heard
cod.
cod and halibut works the best.
When we lived in Alaska, we cooked this up at camp
Yeah.
with halibut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And crab legs and all that wonderful
yeah.
stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That we would get.
Wow. It's amazing how much that tastes like lobster.
What do you use for the napkin case?
I don't know if it's the butter or...
The texture, I think.
Yeah.
Because boiled, it
That's
tastes totally
crazy.
different than grilled.
Yeah. Isn't that awesome though?
That is amazing.
Yeah.
And I'll put the recipe down below. Or actually, I'll put it on our website, and you can get
that's a
it
good
on the
idea.
website for
Yeah.
this.
Okay, so we'll go sweettravels.com/recipes.
Woohoo!
Poor man's lobster.
Getting warm ears. Poor man's lobster. You don't have to worry about.
How easy is that?
I know, isn't this ridiculous and easy?
You don't have to worry about grease splatters when
No.
you do it this way.
No.
So you're just picking them up
It's
as they
very
float.
it's hot.
As soon as they float, that means they're done.
It's better hot.
It is. Yeah, I was gonna put them in the oven. And I
Yeah,
think
what-
Maggie's licking her lips over there. I think she needs some.
Okay, so
Loves fish.
sweettravels.com/recipe.
Poor man's lobster.
Okay.
It's been so much fun caravanning with good friends, and I'm excited to see what we have in store for us as we head up north to the Upper Peninsula.
Yeah, this is the first time we've really caravanned with good friends for any length of time. I mean, we did an overnight stop with Tipsy Marlin Travels, and that was a lot of fun. But normally we're by ourselves and we meet new friends on the road. This time we're caravanning with our good friends Tina and Aaron from Jones into Travel. We're having a blast.
Oh, they're family now.
Yeah, it's
amazing.
just like taking off on a trip with family, and it's a lot of fun. I mean, the fact that they remembered your birthday.
I tell you, I can get emotional from that because being away from family and friends from home and having them remember that was my birthday, that was pretty special.
Yeah, obviously Kelly's birthday's in the summer, so normally we're traveling and it's just the two of us.
Yeah.
I remember her birthday every year.
Yeah. Well, most of the time we're home because in Newport, and we hang out in Newport, and it wasn't like that this year because of the crazy summer we had.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, but it was kind of special to have some friends.
It was very special with a cake and everything. And I never get a cake because I really don't want a cake because we don't need that in the house.
Tina and Aaron said, "What kind of cake does she like?" And I said, "She doesn't really like cake." But they found a special one.
Oh, they did. I mean, put the effort out and everything. It was very special.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, what'd you guys think of the cooking segment? We've been asked. You've been asked.
Yeah. Cooking and grocery hauls.
Yeah.
Which I love those. I'll go on the videos and watch those. But not everybody likes that. But, if you like it and, let me know about down below and we'll keep cooking every once in a while for you.
Yeah. You enjoy cooking?
I do.
And we've had a couple of requests for meal recipes on the road. Mm-hmm. So, if you like it, leave a comment below.
Yeah.
If you want to see more, leave a comment below. So more Michigan to follow.
Yeah.
We get to cross the Mighty Mac.
So excited.
And we get to be introduced to some Yoopers.
Do you know what a Youper is?
And we get to try some pasties.
Do you know what pasties are?
If not, stick around because
Yeah.
you're going to find out. It's a good lesson in Yoopers and trolls and pasties. And if you're from Michigan, you probably know what we're talking about.
You already know that.
But yeah, we've got more of Michigan to follow, so stick around. And speaking of sticking around, we've been notified that YouTube is apparently filtering out some subscriber bases and some channels. And I mean, we've had a couple of questions as to why people aren't being notified of our new videos. Mm-hmm. And so if you are subscribed and you have clicked the notification bell, you might want to go back and just make sure that you're subscribed and that the bell is still clicked, because some folks aren't getting their notifications for some reason or another. I don't know what YouTube's doing, but you might take a look. And if you haven't subscribed,
Do so. It's free.
it is. It is. It just means that you're going to see our content come up first. You know, in your when you get onto YouTube, you're going to see our latest videos suggested, since you are subscribed, and it costs you nothing. You just
Right.
click the button and
And
you're
you become
subscribed.
part of our amazing community.
Exactly. And we've got an outstanding, amazing,
We do.
absolutely phenomenal community. We
All
started,
wonderful.
yeah, and we started our village group. I think we've got just about 80 members now. And it is so much fun, guys, to be able to click on that map and see where everybody's spread out through the United
Yep.
States. It's been so cool.
Questions, if you have questions,
Yeah.
everybody's just right there to help figure out.
Yeah, and we've got a link for the Our Village group down below too, if you want to go take a look and join. Again, it costs you nothing. You're not going to get spammed. You're not
No.
going to get any information.
No.
It's just a way for our community to interact with one another and kind of hang out, and it gives us an opportunity to see where everybody's at. And as we travel across the country, if we're going to come close to you,
Yeah.
we may just shoot you a message and say, hey, we're going to be close. Let's get together for a cup of coffee, or let's go have a craft beer, or,
Yeah,
you know,
something
whatever
like
the
that.
case
That'd
may
be
be. So anyway,
It's a little bit more intimate too, I
It is.
think.
It is.
Than YouTube. But,
yeah,
you know, best of both worlds.
yeah. We're happy to share our journey with you guys. This has been so much fun for us. You guys have no idea how much fun we're having with this
is.
community.
It
You
is.
guys are simply awesome. We are having so much fun.
Yes.
And so in the meantime, from Manistee, Michigan,
It all starts with an idea.
thanks for coming along, you guys. We'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.